From connectivity to lifestyle, Hennur has been growing rapidly. And a new address is now being added to its growth story by one of the trusted developer with 50 years of legacy. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of new residential address coming up in Hennur North, Bangalore. So we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the glimpse of our site. I'm standing exactly in front of the marketing office. The marketing office is ready just behind me over here. Here's the wonderful marketing office where you can check out their miniature and even the model flat which is ready just for you. The main entrance will be coming up exactly in front over here, connecting towards the Hennur main road, and the land parcel starts from here itself and goes up to 3 acres. So in this teaser, we'll be exploring about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end. So now I know you guys are wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So let's start with project overview where our new residential project is spread across 3 acres of land parcel consisting of single iconic tower where it starts from 3 basement ground then goes up to 24 residential floors where you can choose between 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium luxury homes. So when it comes to location, our project is located bang on Hennur main road in Hennur North, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing exactly in front of the main entrance. Here's the main entrance of our project. And just on my right hand side is the Hennur main road. Whereas this road on my back end side will connect you towards Baglur. And the opposite side road will take you towards Hennur flyover. Now we'll be discussing about the further key connectivity. So you can connect to D-Mart which is just 100 meters away from our project. You can connect to Decathlon in 1.4 kilometers, Elements Mall that is 2.1 kilometers away from our project. Coming to the amenities part, so our project offers you 35 plus world-class amenities where you get a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, kids play area, landscape garden, yoga deck and many more. So are you out of them who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore? Then I have a strong recommendation from our end. As Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers, where many home buyers are not aware of their basic rights. For example, if you purchase a home from builder by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, in this situation how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch our series once. So go and check it out in the description link below and even in the I button. If I talk about super built-up area, so as mentioned, our project offers you 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium luxury homes, where 3 BHK starts from 1998, 3.5 BHK of 2410 square feet and 4.5 BHK of 2730 square feet super built-up area. Now coming to the booking process, so currently our project is in pre-launch stage where we are open with the EOI, that is expression of interest. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was all about a teaser of our new upcoming address in Hennur North, Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.